Hi Taurians, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the month of April. This month is a very significant month because of the new moon on the 28th of March. This new moon is all about emotions, all about relationships, bringing emotions to the fore, strengthening the bonds that are meant to strengthen, and letting go of what is not meant to be. So let's see what your month is in store for you. Month has in store for you. I'm so sorry. All right. So, well, definitely, we read in your last week, you have been thinking about, you have been, really pondering over something which is bound to change this month. But you're still not very sure of whether to communicate this across or no. Let us see what this Page of Swords is all about. Yeah. So probably you are planning to end something and start a new beginning, something which has come to the fore, which is something which has been revealed to you in the past couple of weeks or months, and you planning to be very intuitive and very serious about it, or let's say you've really thought about it, and that's why probably you are now thinking of making a change, and that's why there's a death card. Let's see what the Wheel of Fortune has. Oh God, all the cards fell down. Just give me a moment. Well, too many cards, so I'll rather shuffle again. All right. So things are definitely changing. See, like I told you, things which are meant to be will strengthen, and which are not meant to be will leave your path, will leave your, you know, leave your way. I mean, give way to something new. So let's see what this Wheel of Fortune is all about for you. Options, offers, and something stable. So yeah, so I think we're on the right track here, Torrance, because you're still still withholding the communication, but you want things to change, and definitely there'll be an ending for a new beginning to occur. And what I see is there are a lot of options that you'll get this month. It could be love, it could be um, business offers, or whatever offers which are more stable than before. This looks good, in my opinion. It's all up to you whether you really want to do it as quickly as possible, or you want to still take your time, because there's a hangman here. So let's see what the hangman is all about. So yeah, because you feel that you're not making a move, or you're still pondering over, because you feel that you've really worked hard for this particular where you what have you achieved, or wherever you are right now, and that's why you want to see all the aspects before you actually end something and begin something. But you will still get offers, Taurians. You will still have options to explore. But I feel going forward, how this month will end up for you would be, the right thing. Justice, King of Wands, which is stability, something solid, and Sun, which is that everything will clear out. If you feel there's still, certain things that I can't see, I don't know, let me see, let me check, sort of a situation. So things will clear out by the end of the month. This is what it looks like. Let us see what the theme of the month is for you. The theme of the month for Taurians. Is it love? Is it work? See, you'll have to see how it resonates with you, because there's so many people watching and so many people are wanting different things. So please resonate. Try to resonate how it does for you, and leave the rest. Hangman again. So yes, you are justice again, and the judgment again. So yes, you are thinking, you are taking your time, you are exploring all the possibilities before you take an action, which is always a good thing, Taurians. I think one should just take a step back, and see all the pros and cons before you go ahead and take a decision. And justice and judgment, justice twice and then judgment. So I feel whatever decision you will ultimately take, you should trust that this will be a good decision. This will be the right thing to do. Because what I think you have put in a lot of hard work. Yes, there's you did what you could, but I think it's time to move on, because there's death and there's sun. So I think it's time to move on. And this month will bring everything to the forelight, whether the situation which is bothering you will end, and probably in the same similar situation, a happier let's say a happier scenario will take birth, or the situation itself will end and something new will come up. So it all depends on how you are, because everything depends on you, how you're taking it, how you're perceiving it. It's all up to you whether you want to stay in the same situation or you want to move on. Let's see, for those looking for love, let's see what the love messages are from the universe. What are the love messages for Taurians looking for love? What are the love messages for Taurians looking for love? Alright, for people looking for love, for people looking for answers, it says Yeehaw, the first card, which means when it comes to choosing who will be in your life, I recommend valuing Yeehaw, quality above all, have it your way. So, it says that, like again, like I told you, you'll have options. Choose the one which really brings that happiness out, which really rings that bell. You know what I mean? So because you'll have options, so the universe is asking you to choose the one which brings out the yeehaw in you. In short, which brings out the happiness, the bell ring for you. Things are not as they appear. So like I told you, there's a lot of things you're weighing upon right now, and it says some are better loved at a distance for a while anyway. That's okay. So like if you planning to move, I think the universe is giving you red signal saying that some things are better loved from a distance because they are not as they appear. All there is to love has been there all along. When you begin to find love in people and places where you haven't found it before, it's always you. It's always because you've grown up. So yeah, this whole situation has taught you a lot. Definitely, the universe is saying, and universe is quite sure that now the one that you'll find, obviously it will be meant to be, and it will be after the decisions, after the experiences that you've had. Let's see for the other messages from the universe. So it says true healing occurs when I give myself permission to feel whatever feelings live beyond the trigger. When I focus on my inner light, I see the world through the lens of love. I recognize that I've chosen fear, I choose again. When I choose again, I choose love. So, see, you need healing from it. That's why probably you're not able to decide. That's why maybe you're holding on, because you still need healing. There are a lot of triggers in the emotions that you need to give permission to come out and heal. Also you need to focus on the inner light. You need to see that no matter what, love always wins. And and for people for people looking for business and work, you still need healing from all the bitterness and things that didn't go your way. And there's a fear, there's always a fear moving on when you're moving on from a certain thing, fear of uncertainty. And universe is asking you to release that fear. It's saying that fear will not let you choose the right thing, is the message here. Let's see how you can handle the situation, Taurians. Let's see how you can handle the situation. Expert. So it says that if you need an expert advice, you can go for an expert for an advice. Somebody you trust, somebody you always go for counsel. Somebody who's got intuition. Somebody who knows you very well and can give you the right advice. So this is the message, and this is how you can handle your indecisiveness this month. That you can go and ask for help from an expert, which you feel is an expert in your eyes, because things are going to change this month for you, Taurians. This is what I feel. All the best, and we'll meet next month. And if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. That's all I have for you. Bye bye.